Keep your car on the go and in tip-top shape 24/7, 365. With a car care service plan, you can schedule service visits in advance. That way, the important work is done at your convenience. It's simple. Just bring your car to the service department. Car care service plans may include lube, oil, and filter changes, brake cleaning and adjusting, multi-point vehicle inspection, and membership to Cross Country Motor Club's Driver's One Card, which offers additional benefits such as 24-hour roadside assistance, emergency towing, emergency lockout service, lost key fob replacement, plus plan, trip planning, travel discounts, and more. Ask your dealership representative what services are offered with car care service plans, so you don't have to worry about making the payments at the service department. And at the end of the day, you can drive off knowing your car is good to go. Want to learn more about car care? Ask your finance manager for details. Help protect your investment and keep cruising with a car care service plan.